First responders in Muskogee have another tool to help people suffering from a mental health crisis. New tonight, 2 News Oklahoma's Tony Russell shows us how iPads are now connecting people on the front lines.
When police get a call about someone in mental health crisis, they really don't know what they're going to get until they actually get there. And at that point, how do you get that person connected to the resources they need? How do they de-escalate the situation? Well, there's a solution in place right here in Muskogee. It's something that Green Country Behavioral Health Services has been pioneering, putting iPads into the hands of first responders like police and sheriff's deputies to get people the help they need immediately. For several years now, the Green Country Behavioral Health Services has armed first responders with these iPads.
We not only help police understand mental health calls, but with the touch of a button, the community can get in touch with a licensed mental health professional, and instead of the officer having to have that conversation, they can be in touch with us.
80 of these mental health crisis iPads are now deployed between Muskogee police and sheriff's deputies. So, like in an instant, you got your iPad opened right up.
Yep, right when it's called, it'll open up, and then I'll answer it, and I'll get whoever calls it connected to a crisis therapist.
A month ago, we showed you them in action.
I probably use it once a week.
As far as the immediate response to de-escalate crisis situations, it's made a huge difference in the population that we serve and in the interaction with police officers and the community.
Green Country Behavioral Health says 500 of these grant-funded iPads are now in its system.
With these iPads, we were able to have a custom app created for us to be able to allow this one-on-one interaction with our clients and our therapists.
The program is in so much demand, officials need to hire more people to answer the calls. And that mental health care crisis hotline that is used through those iPads, they're staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. But if you don't have access to one of those iPads, you can always call the statewide hotline, 988. In Muskogee, Tony Russell, 2 News Oklahoma.